Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So, the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair Shop. You Rpgshow for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is their Wigs by Charisse 014. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The hair color, it says like picture. The cap size is size 1, which is 21.5 to 22 inches. It says it is a glueless lace front cap, 200% density, and it is tinted transparent Swiss lace, light brown. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is like a chocolate color, like maybe a number 4. Let me make sure. Let me go ahead and go on the site. So, on the site, it says long middle part body wave chocolate brown lace front wig. Wigs by Charisse 014. As I stated, it's a chocolate. It says the hair color is chocolate brown. It's 20 inches and 200% density. You can get this unit in different colors. You can get it in a number 1, a jet black, which is a jet black. You can get it in the natural hair color. You can get it in the medium dark brown, or you can get it in the medium reddish brown, which is the number 4. This unit can be worn glueless, as you guys know, and maybe I'll insert a clip and kind of show you guys. If you didn't pay attention at the beginning, I can't really do the glueless thing because over here where my yales are, that my granddad used to call my ears yales, where my ears are, it kind of just, I don't know, it doesn't work. It kind of just like sits out. So I can never actually do that, but I do believe that the wig could be worn glueless if your ears are smaller, if your hairline is different. It's a struggle for me, but I do think it could be done. I want to throw that out there. So it is a glueless wig, and it does have the elastic band, and that band is adjustable. Now, as far as tweezing, bleaching, you guys know with Rpgshow, I had to do none of the things, honey. Okay? I had to do none of the things. Say it with me. She woke up like this.
I woke up like this. It's flawless.
Okay, this wig woke up like this. I did not have to bleach it. I did not have to tweeze it. I didn't have to curl it. I didn't even have to curl this wig, okay? All I had to do was put over on my head. Okay, that's some beginner friendly stuff for you. Okay, so all of those are pluses, and all of those I always expect from this particular company. There have been no shed entanglement straight out of the packaging. Like I always say, y'all, it's not to say that at some point it won't do it. It's just to say that straight out of the packaging is not doing it. Okay, so always keep that in mind. I want to go ahead and mention and throw out there some like key facts about this unit. This is the new Invisible Knots and Real Scalp upgraded pre-plucked hairline free parting wig, and it says we have used the new technology to create skin-like knots. So the knots in this wig are like literally almost like non-existent. Do you see them, good? Okay, do you see them, sis? So yeah, there's that. And Real Scalp. So really, like this right here, it looks very, very natural just in this general area. So I do want to throw that out there. That part about this unit is new and definitely a pro. Definitely a pro, girl. Okay, so with this unit, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is pretty snug, but I do have the size 1, but they do also offer a size 2, and the size 2 is 22.5 to 23. I think this one is more small to medium head friendly, and then the other one is more large head friendly. So kind of just keep that in mind, because this does fit kind of snug, and you do want it to fit snug because it can be worn glueless. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. I do want to also say that they said the texture is silky. It is kind of silky, but it really doesn't give off that super silky feel, in my opinion. It's not like Barbie doll silky, but it's not yucky either. So I want to throw that out there as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so let's start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is going to be the fact that although it is a 13x6, meaning it does go all the way back, honey. Okay, I can part this middle part all the way back. On the sides, I cannot really do a super deep part with this unit. Like, I can do a part, but it stops right here. So it is a 13x6, but only in like this area right here. Okay, so that is my con. That is like pretty much my standard con with these units. So yeah, I always have to throw some out there for you. Now my pros is the fact that, oh girl, woke up like this. There was no bleaching, there was no tweezing, there was not even any curling. Okay, girl, I love everything about this wig. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I love the color. You guys know I love me a good chocolate brown number 4 color, because I always say this, and I know y'all may be tired of hearing it. This is like my natural hair color, and I cannot seem to get my hair back this color. So I love the color as well. So those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this unit. Obviously, I would recommend it. Like, literally, there is nothing that needs to be done to this wig. So, yes, I would recommend it, girl. Get you one. Get you one, sis. Alright, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am really feeling this wig. I would definitely recommend it. Not just this wig, but basically any wig I have gotten from this company, because they always come through with the come through. Shout out to you, boo. And yeah, so I would recommend it. If you are interested in purchasing it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, my first wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok, on Health Miss D on Snapchat, and on DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style.